Hello, my name is Dr. Ernesto Lee. I'm from Miami-Dade College, and what we're going to do is we're going to go over deep analytics. We're going to use Power BI for visuals. We'll use Excel to use the core statistics, and I'll show you how to pull value from your data. So, with that said, let's go ahead and dive in here. I'm going to start with what we're going to cover. This is going to be our learning path. First, going to start with a recap of what central limit theorem is and why central limit theorem is germane to understanding anything and everything that has to do with data analytics and data science. From there, what we're going to do is we're going to go over univariate analysis. We'll take a look at some count plots, some histograms. We'll look at some stacked column charts. From there, we'll take a look at p-values or probability values, and we'll use that as the foundation for obtaining objective truths in any data set using a bivariate analysis. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take your data, identify whether that data is quantitative or qualitative or numeric and categorical, and then we're going to say if we need to analyze two numeric columns of data, two features of data that's numeric, then we'll look at how Pearson correlation relates to that. We'll look at the Pearson R coefficient, R squared, and we'll display that with a scatter plot. Then we're going to look at how to analyze a categorical column of data with respect to numeric columns of data. We'll look at t-tests, p-values. We potentially would use ANOVA or analysis of variance, and we'll use bar charts for that. And then finally, we'll take a look at how to analyze a categorical column of data versus another categorical column of data. So that's going to be what the objective is. That's what we'll cover. I am positive that you'll pull some insights from this, so stay tuned.